Russ Reitz, principal at White Bear Lake Area High School. I was a teacher and a coach for 10 years and loved my time in the classroom, but ended up in activities and athletics administration for the next 10 years and then was an associate principal for 3 years prior to landing in White Bear. Met my wife in college. Dana and I have been married for 23 years. We have 2 children. Our son Lane is a senior at University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire and is an elementary ed major like his mom. My daughter is a sophomore at Winona State University. We have 2 pets. We have a golden doodle named Rosie Bear and a Morkie named Winnie. I am who I am as a person and a leader because of the teachers I had and the experiences I had in high school. And so what brings me the most joy is seeing those connections made. I'm most excited about providing meaningful experiences for our students. Just seeing our students experience a 9 through 12 comprehensive high school, it's going to be really fun. The opportunities that will exist, the relationships built over 4 years. What we're doing here is really important. It means a lot to a lot of people. I can't believe that I get to lead and be a part of this school at this time. It's pretty special and I think it's unique. A lot of principals don't get an opportunity to be a part of creating a community and be a part of starting a new culture. It's humbling, at times it's overwhelming, but I'm really excited about the opportunity. We're redefining the student experience in terms of their learning. We now have the facilities and the resources to meet that change, right? So we're giving kids the opportunity to engage in their learning more collaboratively. They have an opportunity to do so in small groups. They can do it individually, or they can engage in their learning with large groups with direct instruction. But I'm really excited about how we're leaning into what's possible. And the new facility allows us to dream big and to think differently about how we want to engage students in learning. Go Bears!